Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Maxima battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment for the entire process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Begin by locating the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable first. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, repeat the process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly with your wire brush and cleaner. This ensures good electrical contact. Carefully position the new battery securely in the tray and reattach the hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening each connection firmly. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the terminals. Now, start your Nissan Maxima to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and that no dashboard warning lights appear. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your battery. For more helpful tips and to explore new reading devices, check the description below for links and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.